Hi, it's Jessica. Welcome to my RV toilet. I'm going to show you a really easy way to manage yours after someone goes number 2. I highly recommend getting all of your family members on board or anyone who's going to be with you in the RV so you're not cleaning up after them and you don't have to look at each other's messes. And also so you don't have to break out all of the cleaning supplies every time this happens, because it's likely inevitable to be a regular occurrence based on the online conversations I've observed on this topic. All you need is a squeeze bottle and some water. I'm reusing an empty bottle of dish soap. The label of this one peels off easily, so there's no confusion what's inside. I can relabel it. I keep this bottle under the bathroom sink and it's always filled with water. If you need to refill it for a more challenging job, you could always add warm or hot water. Okay, so scenario 1, number 2 won't flush. Maybe it's stuck on the rim. You're just going to squeeze the bottle and aim the flow so that the water pushes number 2 towards the center, and then you can flush. It works like a mini pressure washer. Or if it's skid marks, you do the same thing until the toilet bowl is clean, and then you can flush. 9 times out of 10, it's super quick and easy. If you're worried about using perfectly good fresh water, you can always collect gray water from the shower or dishes and save that for situations like this. Thanks for coming to my toilet talk. You want to see more than my toilet? Take a tour of the entire inside of our RV. Just click on this video right now to watch.